Let's go outside.
It's November, and if you know what that means, you know it's time to decorate for Christmas. Me and my boyfriend are actually still in the process of moving into our apartment, and I eventually will do a whole apartment tour and continue on my moving series. But I love Christmas. I'm a Christmas girl as much as I'm a fall girl. It makes me really happy, and I really just want to decorate for Christmas. I have all new stuff because we did move states, and a lot of the stuff that I have is still at my parents' house. So I bought all new stuff, and I'm really excited. So we're gonna do a quick little haul of some of the things I bought, and then we're gonna start decorating my apartment, and I cannot wait. So first things first, I got this little cute book stand for my kitchen. This is from Target. I think it's so stinking cute. 2 little lights to wrap my garland with. This Christmas baking cookbook, which is from Target, and I'm basically gonna display it like this in my kitchen. I got these Wonder Shop lights, which are from Target, which will make sense in a little bit. I got a really pretty kitchen mat. It's actually a bath mat, but I'm gonna use it as a kitchen mat. Hopefully it looks cute. I'm going for a gingerbread theme, and I think it's gonna be adorable. I got Penny a little stocking. This is from Hobby Lobby. So cute. If you're watching this the first week of November, Hobby Lobby's having 50% off right now. I don't know how long, but I did ask the worker and she said at least the first week of November. So I got this for 50% off. I got this stocking, but I'm not sure how I'm liking it. I also have another stocking that I think I'm gonna use instead for me and Chad. I got these little hand towels. I think I'm gonna put these in my bathroom, but I'm not sure yet. I got this cute little reindeer for, I think by our TV console. This is from Hobby Lobby. And then I got a matching reindeer. So for our Christmas tree, we're gonna keep our theme blue and white and just add in a few Christmas fun ornaments. So most of our Christmas balls for the ornaments are gonna be blue and white, but for the fun ones, we went to an aquarium yesterday and I thought this was so cute, so I got this. And then I also got this one as well, which I think is so cute because it's like beach themed, but in the form of a Christmas tree. Next, I got this little stocking holder. This is from Hobby Lobby. I got 3 of them for me, Chad, and Penny. Penny's our puppy, and it's gonna be her first Christmas, so I wanted to go all out. I got this one as well. And then I also got a snowman. So these will probably be on our TV mantle, and I think it'll be really cute. Also from Hobby Lobby, I got some bells. I always wanted to have bells. I don't know where I'm gonna put these, but we'll definitely make use of them. Also from Hobby Lobby, I got this cute gingerbread house cookie jar. I love baking, especially during the holidays, and I thought this was so cute. This I'm really excited about. This is the viral mirror from Hobby Lobby that says Merry Christmas. I found it and I actually started freaking out, so I bought this right away. I got this butterscotch brulee candle from Michael's. They were having a 3 for $9.99 deal. I got 1 fall and 2 Christmas, and this is one of the Christmas ones. From TJMax, I found this really cute teddy bear. Look at how stinking cute this is. I think it's adorable. Going back to Hobby Lobby, I got this really cute sign. It just says Merry Christmas, and I really liked the colors and the theme of it. Our apartment is blue, beige, and white, so I thought this would go really nice. Going along with that theme, I got this Christmas tree. I got this really cute star tree topper. I might return this if I don't like the way it looks on the tree, but I think I will, so for now, this is the tree topper. I got these really pretty shot glasses. I actually got these from New Jersey HomeGoods when I was still home. This is for our bar cart. I think these are adorable. Next, I got 3 of these little wreaths because I saw an idea on TikTok and I'm gonna try my best to copy it because I think it's really cute. So I have 3 of these little wreaths and then this tray, which is all from Hobby Lobby. I have a doormat. This is from Hobby Lobby. It says North Pole Milk and Cookies, Baking Santa's Favorites, Fresh Daily in December. I think that's so stinking cute. I do have a Christmas tree next to me. I'm not even gonna try to pick it up because it's heavy. Here's the Christmas tree. It is from Hobby Lobby. I have this little piece, which is also from Hobby Lobby. Kind of goes with our theme. Wouldn't be Christmas without a Christmas mug. This is from Target. Look at how cute this is. I have a little snowman. This is also from Hobby Lobby. I have this little Santa from Hobby Lobby. These little presents from Hobby Lobby. These are gonna go by the tree. A hot cocoa sign that lights up. I think it needs batteries though. For our bar cart, this little cute board. It says made with love gingerbread bakery, candy, cookies, pies, and cakes, which I think is adorable. And then this snow globe, which is from Target. I think this is so cute with the little reindeer. I have some more stuff in my car, but I don't want the whole entire video to be just me showing you guys a haul, so I'll definitely go through the other stuff that I didn't say once I actually put everything up and see how it looks. Most of the stuff in my car is from HomeGoods, Target, and Amazon though. I think right now I want to go get the stuff in my my car, and then we're gonna start probably in my living room for the tree. I'm not sure. I'll update you once I know. Here's the outfit. I'm wearing this Christmas tree sweatshirt. I forget where it's from. I got it years ago, but it's so cute. I'm wearing these little reindeer pants, which are from Target, and these reindeer socks, which I think are from American Eagle last year. I'm gonna go get some of the stuff from my car, and then we're gonna start decorating. I'll do a little overview of the before of the apartment, and then we'll decorate and do a whole tour at the end. I'm very excited. Deck the halls, 'tis the season. Let's go do this. Start with my living room, and I think start with the Christmas tree, but first things first, we need to put on some Christmas music to really get into that Christmas spirit. Christmas music.
Oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new.
This is what the tree is looking like. I just put it in this corner for now, and then I have the little tree cover on. I feel like that looks pretty cute. I just don't know if it should go in this corner or in that corner and move that mirror. I'm gonna leave it for now and see what it looks like in a little bit.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas.
This is what the living room is looking like so far. I just added a little display right here, and then I put up Penny's stocking, which I think is gonna look so cute once I finish this area. I was gonna do garland on this where the lights are, but I'm thinking I'm gonna put the garland in our room because I feel like it's a lot going on right here, and I don't think I need the garland, but we'll see. And this is what the tree is looking like so far, and I have more presents that light up to go around the tree. But I think we're making good progress, and I think it looks cute so far. I just put the reindeers down here, and I think with the other presents it'll look nicer there, but I'm not sure. And then I added this little tree here and this snow globe instead of the reindeer there because I think it looks a little bit less cluttered like this.
Look out your window, baby, where the snow is falling down. There's a thick white blanket covering all.
This is what the living room is looking like so far. I really like these pillows. I think they're adorable, and I put up the other stockings. I think this area is good for now, so I'm gonna move on to the kitchen part, which I'm also very, very excited for. And I also have some Christmas blankets in this little basket as well, which I think is cute.
Dear Santa, tell me that you'll make it here in time. Yeah, this boy is on my mind, the number one thing on my wish list. Oh, Santa, tell me you know that I've been good. I put the lights up just for you. You're the only one who can make my dreams come true. I could see the end until he looked my way. I used to be blue, now I'm brand new, all wrapped up.
This is what the kitchen is looking like. I feel like this little piece looks so cute. I love the blue to kind of tie into our couch and our whole theme, and I love how this looks. And then over here, I took away the books for now, and I have this Merry Christmas mirror and then this little tree next to it. I have our gingerbread stand here with the little book, my KitchenAid. This little gingerbread sign I put here with a candle and a little mug, and then our olive oils and our hand mitts that actually came with these towels, which I think looks so cute. Eventually, I do want to get one more to go over it. And then I have our little spoon holder and our little Santa. I think now I'm gonna work on my bar cart. I'm so excited to actually get this decorated for Christmas because I feel like it's missing some stuff, and it's gonna look so cute once I'm done. Cute. This This is how the bar cart is looking. I feel like it looks really cute. I may add a few more things, but overall I really like this area. This little candle is so cute. I am going to start working on my room. I really don't know what I want in our bedroom, but I did use a lot of the stuff that I already bought for my area out there. I also still need to decorate the tree, and then I also am just gonna put little towels in the bathroom as well.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe.
Other than a few things that I may add here and there, which I will definitely keep you updated on, I think the apartment looks so good, so we're gonna do a little tour. I'm obsessed with how it came out. So starting over here, which is probably my favorite part of the apartment, we have our tree. Our tree is from Hobby Lobby, and I actually really like the little star that's on it. I think it's adorable. And then I put these little blue and white ornaments on the tree, as well as my little tree from the aquarium that we went to that I think is really cute. I love how this looks. I still have to put the other set of presents, but they're in my car and I didn't grab them yet, and the sun's setting, so I wanted to do the tour, but I'll put a picture on the screen. And then I have this little present area over here. Then coming over here, I am obsessed with this area. Obviously on my TV it's just a fireplace that I found from YouTube, but this I feel like looks so cute. So starting up here, we have a thing of lights, which is from Target. I may add garland there, but I'm not sure yet. We have this piece of decor, which is from Hobby Lobby. And I have this little shell bowl, which is from HomeGoods, and the stuff in it smells so good. That's from Hobby Lobby. I have my little digital frame here. These pictures change every 30 seconds. It's so cute, and sometimes Christmas ones come up. And then I have my snow globe, which is from Target. Then moving over here, we have our stocking. So our stocking holders, I have snowman, reindeer, and Christmas tree. And then we have our actual stockings. The two gingerbread stockings are from HomeGoods, and the middle one, which is pennies, is from Hobby Lobby. Then coming down here, I just have some decor. It's not really Christmas decor other than this one right here, which is a little candle, which I got from HomeGoods. Sometimes I'll have it lit, sometimes not. And obviously when I do light it, it's not gonna be there. It's gonna be up there. And then the only other Christmas thing I have is this little candle, which is just for decor. It's from TJmax. I think it's adorable. I think this part of the apartment looks so cute, and I really, really love it. Next, I have my mirror. My mirror is from Amazon, and the tree is also from Amazon, but I'm gonna do a whole in-depth apartment tour, so I'll go over that in a different video. I have my little basket. That's from HomeGoods, and I have my blanket in it, which is actually a Christmas blanket from At Home. I had it since last year. Then I have my couch. I love my couch. It's so comfortable. It's from Amazon. And then I have my two decorative pillows that will be there year-round, which are from HomeGoods. And then I have this little gingerbread blanket, which is from Target. And then I have this little area over here, which is adorable. The two candy canes are from HomeGoods, and the pillow in the middle is also from HomeGoods. Then coming over here, the actual rug itself is from Wayfair. It's really nice. I really like it. And then we have this little situation right here, which I absolutely love. The snowman is from Hobby Lobby, and the two candles, as well as the holder, is from Michael's. And this little tray, which is here year-round, I just switch out the decor on it, is from HomeGoods. Then coming over here, I put up this little wall decor that my boyfriend got me from Hobby Lobby. I think it's so cute and really matches our theme, and I'm proud of myself for actually being able to hang it up. Now we're moving on to my kitchen, which I love. In my center island, I have this little tray, which is from Hobby Lobby. The wreaths are individual wreaths, also from Hobby Lobby. The lights are from Target, and the Christmas trees are from HomeGoods, and HomeGoods, and I think it looks so stinking cute. Then I have my bar stools. The bar stools are from Amazon. I guess this is like a mini apartment tour. I have Penny's little dog food dishes, which is Chewy Vuitton instead of Louis Vuitton, and I got that from Amazon. I think it's so cute. Moving over here, we have my little mirror, which is from Hobby Lobby. I'm obsessed with this. I think it's adorable. And then I have my little tree from Hobby Lobby as well. This section of my apartment is honestly one of my favorites as well. I have my gingerbread book, which I actually got for 30% off today at Target, and it's on a little gingerbread book holder, which I think is adorable. adorable. I have my KitchenAid. I have my little light that is portable and you can switch it to the color tones that you want, which I think is nice. Then over here, I have my Made with Love gingerbread baker sign. I think I got that from Hobby Lobby. And then I have this candle, which is also from Michael's. And then this cup, which I think is adorable since my theme is gingerbread, obviously. And I got this from Target. And then we have our little hand pan holders out, which I think is adorable and they're gingerbread themed as well. Moving on to my stove, I have my Mackenzie Child teapot, which I absolutely love. And then my kitchen towels, which came as a set with these. And I think they look adorable. Eventually I want to get one little towel to go over it. Then moving over here, we have our spoon holder, which this is from HomeGoods. And then I have my little Santa, which I think is adorable. Now moving on to my bar cart area. I absolutely love this area. I still need to get some wine bottles for it, but here is a little close up. So on top, I have these little reindeer coasters. This is from HomeGoods. And then I have this little cocktail maker set, which is from Amazon. Then I have a Tito's sign. I love this so much. And it is also from Amazon. Eventually we want to have another 2 signs. That's why I said like there's little things we still have to do for our moving process. Then I have this cocktail machine. This is a Bartesian. I absolutely love this machine. It's really cool. And I have all the mixes for it down here, which is amazing. Then coming over next to it, I have some of my really pretty bottles. I have 2 candles, but these are more for decor purposes. And I really love how they're in little martini glasses. This is from HomeGoods. This little bar sign is from HomeGoods. And this candle is from HomeGoods too. I guess this one could be lit, but I really like it, so I'm not going to right now. Then coming down here, I have a wine rack, which I have to get more wine and champagne for. And then I have these little nice glasses. This is from HomeGoods. I think this is so pretty. I have these 2 from Target. Then moving down here, I have this really pretty gingerbread glass, which is from World Market. And I have a little book. This is a cocktail maker book. This is from Michael's, and my coasters are from Amazon. Then coming over here, I love this area as well. I have these little shot glasses, which are from, I believe, TJMax. I have some more non-seasonal shot glasses back here. And then I have some napkins, and the napkins are festive as well, which I personally really like. And the napkins themselves are from HomeGoods. The holder's Mackenzie Child. Then I have a little hot cocoa drink thing, and over here I have more glasses and a candle warmer and another matching glass. Then moving down here, I love this. Even though it's not a hot cocoa bar stand, I just really like the sign and I think it adds to the bar cart. And then I have my gingerbread cookie jar over here, which I'll put cookies on once I actually have cookies, and then I'll put them out on the counter. This is from Hobby Lobby. This is from Hobby Lobby. These little peppermint candy cups are from Target, as well as the peppermint candy cane sticks as well are from Target. And then I just have my mixers down here. Then coming in my bedroom, we have this area over here, which I think turned out so stinking cute. The garland is from Target, and I put lights around it because it didn't come pre-lit. Then I have this little candle. This is a vanilla caramel cream candle. I think it's from TJMax, but don't quote me on that. And then this is from HomeGoods. It's room spray. Then we have this little bowl. This bowl is from, I believe, HomeGoods, and this stuff to go in it is from Hobby Lobby. Then we have this little section over here. I really do eventually want this to have Christmas stuff in it, but I think for now it's fine. Everything inside is from Hobby Lobby, and the vase itself is from HomeGoods. Then I have this area over here. This is our little light. This is the area where we want to add something to, probably like a chair, but for now we just have our laundry basket, which is from HomeGoods, and the light is from Amazon. Then moving over here, we have my bed. So the bedding itself is from Target, as well as the comforter, and then these pillows back here are from Hobby Lobby, and this pillow came with the comforter. This gingerbread pillow is from HomeGoods, and then we have this little blanket over here. So underneath the gingerbread blanket, I actually have a Lola blanket, which I'm absolutely obsessed with this blanket. It's so soft. And the gingerbread blanket is from, I think, HomeGoods or TJMax. And then up here, I just have a painting. This painting is from HomeGoods. It's really nice, and I'm obsessed with it. Then I have my 2 little nightstands. The nightstands are from Wayfair. It came as a set with this dresser, and then the lights on top of it are actually really nice, and they are both from HomeGoods. We found them as a set. And then this little thing over here, I have blankets in, and that's from TikTok Shop. Moving on to the bathroom. For the bathroom, I just have this little mat. I switched out the mats because I realized this was a bath mat, and the one that I don't think I showed, I'll put a picture on the screen, is a kitchen mat. Then I have just this little area over here. Basically everything is from HomeGoods, an exception to this, which I think I got from Target or maybe Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure. I don't remember. I think this is so cute as a little bathroom stand. That's all I'm going to show for the bathroom right now because it's not done, but I think this is adorable. And then outside the apartment door, eventually I'm going to have a wreath, but for now I just have these little bells, which are from Hobby Hobby Lobby, which I think is cute.